Now let's move on to our suite of premium permissions tools. And there's three here that we'll go over, starting with admin key. We've built admin key for customers just like Will here, who is a site admin, and he wastes time on a daily basis troubleshooting permissions for his employees. With admin key, Will can gain temporary access to restricted pages like this one, and he can go in and assess permissions problems and unblock his employees in a fraction of the time before admin key. So now that he has admin key, he can see restricted pages in the page tree, and he can pinpoint issues in the page hierarchy to easily grant access to entire groups of pages. Admin key is really great when someone leaves the company before unlocking their pages, or when users accidentally lock down content and aren't sure how to fix it. Inspect permissions goes hand in hand with admin key. So whether you're a site admin like Will or a content creator like Emma here, it's important to understand exactly who has access to your pages and why. Because her Confluence site has grown like crazy over the years, page permissions have gotten complex, and Emma often runs into issues where she needs to grant her teammates access to her pages, but she's not sure why they can't see them. Emma can use inspect permissions to understand the active permissions for any user at a glance. She simply types in the name of a user and gets a summary of whether or not the user has permissions on that page and exactly why or why not. She can go in and see the page directly or contact the page author. And this feature is really great for Emma, but also for our site admin Will, because inspect permissions allows Emma to solve many of her own problems without having to come to Will for